This is an Imperial. It's a 1680 square foot plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. This one was just set days ago, and this is what your home will look like when it comes. So you can see all the lighting fixtures will not have glass and such on them. We don't ship them that way to protect them. You can see the lighting fixtures up there, the pendant lights won't have any glass on them either, so as to protect them, and they're fastened so that they won't swing. Again, this is how your house will come to you, and this is an Imperial. This one has Corian countertops, standard tile. These are premium cabinets, Tescott doors, maple with a Cognac stain. This is a huge island. Huge island. I'll show you my favorite part about it in a second. Here we have lots of room for pots and pans. This is a Corian sink. And here we even have roll-out trays, small ones. Those can be added to any house. This is a nice sized living room. Craftsman door. This is how it will all end. There's the extra supplies that we'll have will be ready to go, such as your baseboards, because your flooring won't be on. So those will be shipped loose, and you can see how we tie them down so when they're moving that they're okay. The soffits and other building materials, including some extra siding that you may need, will all be shipped loose. Here are the gables in this island, which are really nice. I'm going to head back to the second and third bedrooms. None of the baseboards are on again, so your flooring could go in and then they're installed on site. All of your doors will have these installed. It just keeps them still, keeps them from moving around, so that nothing gets banged. It's a beautiful stain in this house. These are standard doors too. This will be your standard bathroom. A mirror. This house has all the extra little shelves for towels and such. This is another bedroom. Bypass doors for your closets. Head off to the pantry. Once you have that big island, it really creates a lot of extra space. Here's your pantry. This is how you come in the house. And right off that, there's going to be a washroom with some shelving and a toilet. Here is a cubby right as you come in. Here's some other building supplies you're going to see. And your farmer's sink. This is my favorite part. This is a great little spot for me too. You just need to add a USB outlet right there. You can drop your keys, you can drop your phone, you can charge it, grab it right before you left. Love that about this house. Again, this is the Imperial. Your shower doors are going to be cushioned. They won't be shipped on, they'll be shipped loose down in the bottom here. This is your master bedroom closet, one of 2 in this house. This one happens to contain some shelving for sweaters, shoes, whatever you may want to use it for. Again, this house was just delivered days ago. Wood wrap mirrors, This is a standard shower. Here is your second closet in the master. And one of my favorite parts in this home, which I haven't seen really before, is this long linen bathroom shelving. This is awesome.